4 hours. Reason?
You know it's bedtime because she's on the phone playing.
I'm watching. May hindi kaming magandang na balitaan ni Tami.
Good morning, Philippines!
Try natin. Colors. Hopefully this one turn out okay. Ito yung scallop. What are you giving now?
Chicken meatballs. What do you want to drink?
I have my water bowl somewhere. It's right here. Masarap siya, guys. Masarap siya. The turkey is good, huh?
Just love that cat and the other stuff.
Huh?
Just love that cat and the other stuff.
So you let her jealous.
Look at Teresa. What can I do, huh?
So what's wrong with you? Why drive like almost 4 hours?
Almost 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I didn't leave till after 3:30. It's 5:30. That's 2 hours.
3:30 you live 2:30. Yes, you did live 2:30.
Okay, so it was after 2:30. Now it's 5:30.
Yeah, 4 hours. Mm-hmm.
Simple math is not your thing, is it? Yeah. Go ahead, do it.
3 and a half.
2:30 and 5:30 is 3.5 hours. Math is really not your thing. 2:30 to 3:30 is how many hours?
Huh?
2:30 to 3:30 is how many hours?
1 hour.
3:30 to 4:30 is how many hours?
2 hours.
4:30 to 5:30 is how many hours?
4 hours. Reason? You've been driving the whole time. You're stopping somewhere.
No, I'm the driver. I talked to you. 55 minutes before, I just got on 84. You know it's at least a 45-minute ride from 84. Called me 55 minutes later and said, where the hell are you? It's been 4 hours.
Mm-hmm. I'm not like you. I don't see where the hell are you. And you have to eat. Okay? Eat. Don't ask me this is the only thing that makes it tasty.
So you're saying the turkey wasn't tasty?
You don't really put so much seasoning. You only put seasoning on the first thing, not the whole area. Eat vegetables. Oy. When is Andrea's birthday, Han?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
What may you say? What's that?
Huh? I think today. I have a picture. Andrea's birthday 7 years ago. Me, Susie, Isabel, and Andrea and Mom.
How come that didn't make it to this memorial?
Hmm?
How come that didn't make it on the memorial service?
I don't see it in my Facebook. In my Facebook. It just Facebook remind me that you have this picture 7 years ago. This one, they rent some restaurant and they invite a lot of people.
It was different than Mom.
Huh?
It was different in that short time.
Yeah. 7 years, right? Yeah, bumili si Tami ng laser, guys, dito. Oh. Oh my God, Roxy! Look, Misty's loving.
There's a little bug.
Look at Misty Han. Look at Misty Han.
Yeah, but when they're underlit, they look like they're scurrying.
You know, I was thinking, it would really tickle the hell out of me. One time you came in here and you said something like, Don Ho. What's your guess? Yeah, you asked me to guess. I went with Hawaiian balladeer Don Ho. You want to tell me we're going to do this all day? Who?
This is unbelievable.
Lynn.
Jesus, I can't get comfortable.
You talked this, so
I'm trying, but I can't get comfortable.
Must have talked about college, so they...
Come on.
Look,
Look, you stay.
You're
very tickly.
Come
here. Come
I know
here.
what you mean, Marie.
Big girl.
First time I saw her, I didn't see
Girl.
Family time.
Why did we live in it? Because is currently located.
Been waiting for this moment all day.
Me too.
How many times?
You're very wobbly away.
Honey, it was a very unattractive decade.
Bad.
And she's, somebody was
And we give 2 cats a pile on her and we're like, you're perfect.
Well, it was the 70s. It's not
She,
like-
she's in my bag, Andy. She's in my bag. We don't mercy here.
Hanging on my...
Lynn Stein, okay? That's her name, Lynn Stein. Satisfied selfie, you went into her Lion King, and that's it. That's the end of the story, all right? Jeez.
What are you, jealous?
You're so weird,
I'm
bro.
a single guy.
Roxy,
Gets
you're
their
so
stuff with
weird.
girls all the time.
She's so weird.
Why would you even say something like that? What, to hurt me? Oh, well, heck, let's not risk that.
Hello? You know,
Roxy,
your dog man sneezed all over me.
come. Wala masyadong ganap, guys. We don't really do nothing because Tommy just got home.
What do you have in mind?
Huh?
What do you have in mind?
Was it like a tone? Was there a certain tone?
Yes, yes, there was a tone.
Am I heavy?
It was a dialogue before I
You
called you
what area?
Yeah, but,
when I hang up.
I don't know. You know what? I think it'll be a big mistake.
Still do his laundry? Okay. This is it. This is the last load.
Lynn, okay? He's with Lynn Stein.
I didn't say anything.
I know.
There it is, guys. You know it's bedtime because she's on the phone playing.
I'm watching
That's right, she's on the phone watching.
Magandang Buhay, guys. Magandang Buhay.
Bedtime is time to bring your phone and wreck your brain.
Roxy's coughing. She's coughing.
Somebody else says it's bedtime.
Come here. Come up. No, that way. You only stay that way. Hey, come here!
I'll call her back and get her to like lie down.
We ate.
Come on, Ross, come on.
We ate already. We ate a while ago, guys.
You had Squish and a pillow playing with a phone. Lives on that phone in the computer.
Come here, Roxy. God, yung tiyan ko, guys. Iwan ko. Utot ako ng utot.
She knows the lights are still on. She knows. She knows the lights are still on. She knows.
Anyway, guys, I was just busy in my phone with the Magandang Buhay. And then, itong asawa ko naman pumunta. Kaloka. I-end na daw yung ano. Matulog na daw kami. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Para maano na, guys. Ipapatay daw niya tong ano, Christmas tree. Kasi on pa. Akong buhay na to. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Alam nyo ba, may hindi kaming magandang na balitaan ni Tami. Yung kapatid niya, doon tayo sa kwarto mag-usap. Konti lang, short conversation lang. Yung kapatid ni Tami nagpadala ng text sa kanya. Sabi niya kahapon, 'di ba? Ngayon Monday ngayon, 'di ba? Yung Sabado daw, si biyanan ko, the whole day daw siya nag-oxygen. So, anyari, ang sabi pa ni biyanan, mahal daw niya lahat. Na ano ako, guys, kasi sabi pa ng iwan ko, basta hindi ko nasabihin, pero yun yung nabalitaan namin. Ngayon pa sinabi niya, hindi niya sinabi noong naramdaman yung nabiyanan na sobrang hinang-hina na yung pagginhawa niya, hininga niya, and then hindi daw niya dalhin sa hospital kasi para hindi daw magka-trauma si biyanan. So, kung kami ni Tami, na-shock kami kasi kung kami, dalhin talaga kapag sobrang hinang-hina na, dalhin sa ospital. Pero, ngayon, okay na daw si biyanan, pero nung Saturday, baka, yung ano daw, baka, akala nila daw, nung Saturday, na yun na lang yung katapusan ni biyanan kasi, hihinang-hina na daw, at saka whole day daw may oxygen. And sabi pa daw niya na mahal daw niya lahat sila, and sabihin daw sa lahat na mahal na nagulat kami ni Tami. Pero buti na lang, thank God talaga guys, na si biyanan pagbangon daw yesterday morning, pagka Sunday daw, na naging normal daw siya. So it is really good. Pero gusto namin ni Tami na kung may maramdaman, ihatid agad sa hospital. Kalokan. Iwan ko guys, iba-iba kasi kahit magkapatid sila, iba-iba yung pananaw at saka personality nila, iba-iba. So yun guys, dito tayo mag-end. Pasensya na talaga na dito tayo i-end kong vlog. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next tomorrow guys. Puntahan natin si Bianan, okay? Puntahan natin kasi Tuesday naman, every Tuesday andun tayo. So puntahan natin. Hindi ko pala yung scallop, nakalimutan ko pala. Buti na lang, ang sarap ng scallops guys, potato scallops. Do you like the potato scallops?
Yeah, pretty decent.
I like it, hon. Compared to mashed potato, hon. I got some broccoli rabe for tomorrow with the pork. Oh, I have very little water, B-boy. Hala, there is another Christmas tree in the hallway. Look, tignan nyo, guys. I don't know. Look, yung Christmas tree sa hallway. Can you unplug it for me, please? Thank you, B-boy. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night. Say good night now, baby.
Hi, guys.
Yeah. Water, guys. He's sleeping with water. I don't see your thing anymore.
The car.
Yeah, so why you don't take it out? You have to change water, Tommy.
Yeah.
You never probably change the water. Anyway, bye. Good night.
Goodbye.